Hey guys, welcome to another video where we're going to talk about the limits. Today in this video we are going to solve your previous year question paper. Yes, of course, one of the most important video on strategy to get more good marks in your DCT examination. If you're not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe right now for more videos like this one. Let's start today's video. Okay, what is given in the question? Limit x tends to 0, x over root of 1 plus x minus 1. We have to find limit value of it. What is the first thing we need to do? Whenever you see the limit, substitute the limit. So let's substitute 0. So 0 divided by root of 1 plus 0 minus 1. So 0 by root 1 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 by 0. Whenever you find 0 by 0, what you need to do? You need to use L'Hospital rule. What does it say? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So we have to differentiate numerator and denominator. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. Let's differentiate numerator. X differentiation is what? 1. In the denominator, we have 1 plus x, so root of 1 plus x. How to differentiate this? Root x differentiation, d by dx of root x is what? 1 by 2 root x. d by dx of root of x plus 1 will be what? 1 by 2 root of x plus 1. X plus 1 differentiation is 1. In the same way, root of 1 plus x differentiation is what? 1 by 2 root of x plus 1 minus 1 differentiation is 0. So what we have? We have 1 by 2 root of x plus 1. Now let's substitute the limit, that is x tends to 0. Wherever you have x, till that this limit will continue. So x plus 0. So 1 by 1 over 2 root 0 plus 1 is 1. So 1 by 2, how much will be that? 2. Is it okay? Yes. Okay, what is the question given? Limit x tends to infinity. 3x cube plus 4x plus 7 divided by 6 plus x square into x minus 1. This is the question given question. See, whenever you see the limit, we have to substitute the limit. So let's substitute. So 3 into infinity cube plus 4 into infinity plus 7 divided by, again, 6 plus infinity square into infinity minus 1. Infinity means very big number. Infinity means very, very big number. Big number whole cube. 3 square will be 9. If you, if you increase the power of any number, that will increase. So this value will again infinity. Plus 4 into infinity is infinity. Infinity plus infinity, big number plus big number will be big number. Plus 7, that will be a big number. Big number by, so big number into big number is big number. Infinity by infinity. See, whenever we have infinity by infinity, we have to do what? Take big power common. This is what the golden rule that we have taught when we have infinity by infinity. The algorithm or the procedure to solve is take whenever infinity by infinity is there, what we have procedure or the algorithm that we have taught, whenever we have infinity by infinity, take a big power common. This is what we have to do. See, in the numerator, we have clearly we have the big number. In the denominator, we don't. So first, let's take numerator 3x cube plus 4x plus 7 divided by this one. We have to multiply 6 into x is 6x minus 6 plus x cube minus x square. Okay, what is the big power? Big power we have to common. The common we have the big power is x cube. So if we take x cube common, we have 3 plus 4 divided by x cube. We have to take x cube. There is only one x, so we need 2 more x. So I'll divide it by x square plus 7 divided by, there is no x cube, so I have to divide it by x cube. Divided by, here also, what is the highest power? X cube. So if I substitute x cube here, x cube if I take 6 divided by 1x is there, we have 2, we need 2 more x, so I'll divide it by x square. So 6 divided by, here we don't have x cube, so we have to divide it by x cube plus x cube if I take common, I'll have 1 minus x square is there, we need 1 more x, so divided by x. Now what was the limit? Limit x tends to, see here 6x cube, this cube, let's get cancelled. So what was the limit? X tends to infinity. X tends to infinity. I took 0, that's a made mistake. So x tends to infinity, limit x tends to infinity. Infinity means we have to substitute infinity. So let's substitute 3 plus 4 by infinity square plus 7 by infinity cube divided by, again we have a 6 by infinity square minus 6 by infinity cube plus 1 minus 1 by infinity, right? See, any number 3 by infinity is 0, 4 by infinity is 0, any number divided by infinity is 0. So 3, we have 3 plus 4 by infinity is 0 plus 7 by infinity is 0 divided by 6 by infinity is 0 minus 6 by infinity is 0 plus 1 minus 1 by infinity is 0. So 3 by 1, 3 is an answer. Is that okay? Is that okay? There is one more shortcut for this question that we have already taught in our course or in our playlist. Please go and check it. What was the shortcut? Highest, when you see, just see the limits. If limit is x tends to infinity, okay, limit is x tends to infinity. And second, first one is a limit x tends to infinity should be there. What is the second one? Infinity by infinity form should be there. Infinity by infinity form is there. What is the third one? Same power. If you have x cube, what is the power? Highest power is 3. Here also highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. Highest power is 3. If both have same power, and we have infinity by infinity, how the answer will be? Highest power coefficient. Highest power coefficient is 3. 3 divided by, what is the highest coefficient here? 1. 3 by 1 is an answer. Okay. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is given? Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 ko diyane. 3x plus sin 4x divided by 2 sin 3x minus 5x. Question itara ko diyane. What is the first thing we need to do? First thing ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So let's substitute 3 into, in place of x we have to substitute the limit. X plus ಏನಿದೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 3 into 0 plus sin 4 into 0 divided by 2 sin 3 into 0 minus 5 into 0. So 3 into 0 is 0 plus sin 0 is 0 divided by 2 into sin 0 is 0 minus 0. 2 into 0 is 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0 by 0 minus 0 is 0. We have what? 0 by 0. Whenever you have 0 by 0, we have to use L'Hospital rule. Before that, there is something called equivalent function. If you use that, this question will solve like this. Okay, to know more about it, we have an entire video dedicated to that. Please go and check it. Okay, so how to do this? See, if you have sin x, substitute with x when limit x tends to 0. ಯಾವಾಗ limit x tends to 0 ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ, sin x ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲಿ x substitute ಮಾಡಿ. sin 2x ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು substitute ಮಾಡಿ? 2x substitute ಮಾಡಿ. sin 4x ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? sin 4x ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 4x. Okay, sin 3x ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ substitute ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? 3x. If you know this much, this question will become very simple. How? Look at here. Limit x tends to 0, 3x I can't do anything, just I'll take 3x plus sin 4x na replace ಮಾಡಬಹುದು 4x divided by again 2 times sin 3x na ಏನಂತ ಬರಿಬಹುದು 3x minus 5x. 3x plus 4x is 7x divided by 3 to the 6x minus 5x ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 1x. So 7x by 1x. X get cancelled. What is the solution? 7. What is the solution? 7. See, the simple, you can get very simple. You didn't even use L'Hospital rule. There is no way or there is no opportunity to use L'Hospital rule. If you just know the simple rules, that is equivalent function. If you know this one, these questions become very simple. We have a dedicated video. Please go and check it out. It's on a free on YouTube. It's on our playlist. Please go and check it out. Okay, chalo. Okay, let's start with the first question. What is the first question given? Limit x tends to 3, x root x minus 3 root 3 over sin of x minus 3. This is a given question. What is the golden rule of limits? Whenever you see the limit considers na substitute ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Whenever you see the limit, substituting the limits is the golden rule of limits. So let's substitute. So what I substitute? You have to substitute 3. So if I substitute 3, I get 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 divided by sin of 3 minus 3. Isn't it? 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is how much? 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is 0 divided by sin of 3 minus 3 is 0. So 0 by sin 0 is how much? 0. What is this? 0 by 0 form. What is this form? 0 by 0. If we have 0 by 0 form, what we need to do? We have to use something called L'Hospital rule. What this rule says? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Differentiate numerator, differentiate denominator. So how to differentiate? So let's differentiate. Limit x tends to 0. See here, x root x. There are two variables. We have to use UV rule. How to use? This is U, this is V. So I will take x plus root x. Root x differentiation here, root x differentiation is what? 1 by 2 root x. X differentiation is what? 1. Right? This differentiation is done. Minus 3 root 3 is a number. Number differentiation is what? Number differentiation is 0 divided by sign differentiation is what? Cos x minus 3 times x differentiation is what? 1. So what did I get? So if I just multiply x into 1 is x. X divided by 2 root x plus root x divided by cos of x minus 3. Cos of x minus 3. See here, there is nothing means it will be divided by 1. So this into this number plus this into this number, this into this number. That's how we take LCM. So what into what? 1 into x. 1 into x is 1x. Plus is there plus 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Root x into root x is what? X. Root x into root x is what? X, right? So we get x divided by 2 root x into 1. So that is 2 root x divided by cos of x minus 3. Right? What is given? A limit x tends to 0. That means we have to substitute the limit. Wherever the x is there, the limit will continue. So we have to substitute in place of x, we have to substitute 0. So, it is not 0, it is x tends to 3. Okay, I made a mistake here. This is 3. So I have to substitute in place of x, I have to substitute 3. So 1 into 3 plus 2 into 3 divided by 2 root 3 divided by cos of 3 minus 3. Isn't it? So 3 plus 6, how much is that? 9 divided by 3 2s are 6 plus 3, 9 divided by 2 root 3, isn't it? Divided by cos 3 minus 3 is 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1. So what did I get? 9 by 2 root 3. What did I get? 9 by 2 root 3. Now 9 by 2 root 3 is there. Now I will multiply root 3 divided by root 3. So what will happen? 9 root 3 divided by 2, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So what did I get? 9 root 3 divided by 2 into 3. 9, I'll just write it here. 9 root 3 divided by 2 into 3 is 6. Na? So I can take 3 3s are 3 2s are. So 3 root 3 divided by 2. This is a final answer. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 3 0 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. 3 ಅದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 3 x root x minus 3 root 3 divided by sin of x minus 3. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 3 root 3 minus 3 root 3 divided by sin of x minus 3 ಬಂತು. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್. 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿತ್ತು? UV ರೂಲ್. UV ರೂಲ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ? ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಇದು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ. ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಕಾಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, x minus 3 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 1. ಸೊ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ನಾನು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. 1 into x is 1x plus root x divided by ಈ ತರ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. LCM ಹೆಂಗ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು? this into this plus this into this divided by this into this. ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು? LCM ತಗೊಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 1x plus 2x 3x ಬರ್ಕೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದಿನಿ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Is that okay? Let's move to the next question. Yes? Okay, let's move to the next question. What is the next question given? Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus root of cos x divided by x square. Okay, so what we need to do? What is the golden rule? If you see the limit, substitute the limit. That is a golden rule, or how to solve the limit question. So let's substitute the value of x as 0. So 1 minus root cos 0 divided by 0 square. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is 1. So I get 1 minus root 1 divided by 0. 1 minus root 1 is how much? 1 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 is 2, 0. So 0 by 0 form. If we have 0 by 0 form, what we need to do? We need to use L'Hospital rule, L'Hospital rule. We have made an entire video on this. Please go and check it out. 0 by 0 form. We have made 2 videos, I think. Please go and check it out. We have already solved that. Okay. Chalo. So we have to use L'Hospital. L'Hospital means what? Numerator differentiation, denominator differentiation. So let's do that. Differentiate mana. So limit x stands to 0. Numerator first differentiate mana. So 1 differentiation is 0 minus root cos x differentiation is what? 1 by 2 root cos x times cos x differentiation is what? Minus sin x divided by x square differentiation 2x. X square differentiation 2x. So what did we finally get? Minus into minus is what? Plus sin x divided by 2 root cos x divided by 2x. See here, now see here, very important thing. See here. See, whenever you have limit x stands to 0, there is something called standard form. There is something called standard form. This standard form sin x LL cancel x substitute madu. Wherever you find sin x, substitute by x. We have made an entire video on this. Please go and check it out. So in place of sin x, I have to substitute x. So let's do that. Sin x place में s डालने का. So x divided by 2 root cos x divided by 2x. In cancel लगते हैं. This x and this x get cancelled. Isn't it so? So 2 into 2 is 4. So limit x stands to 0, 1 by 4 root cos x. Isn't it? Now, I don't know what to do. Whenever you are struck with something, you do not know what to do. Just substitute the limit value. So in place of x, substitute 0. So 1 by 4 root cos 0. Cos 0 is how much? 1. So 1 by 4 is final answer. Is that okay? Is that okay? Question in Kodida. Limit x stands to 0, 1 minus root cos x divided by x square. This question Kodidalva. 1 minus root cos x divided by x square. So first time limits na substitute ಮಾಡಿದೆ. Limit substitute ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಯಿತು? x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? 0. So 1 minus cos 0 1. So 1 minus 1 divided by 0. 1 minus 1 divided by 0 by 0 form 1. 0 by 0 form ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ L'Hospital rule ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. L'Hospital rule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಕೆಳಗಡೆದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಡಿಸ್ಕೊಡಿ. ಸೊ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 1 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 0 ಆಯಿತು. Minus ಇದೆ, minus ಹಂಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. root x differentiation ಏನು? 1 by 2 root x. See here, root x differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2 root x. root cos x differentiation ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2 root x ತರನೇ cos x ಇದೆ. So cos x ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ times cos x differentiation ಏನು? minus sin x. d by dx of this. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? d by dx of this ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? So 1 by 2 root of x into minus sin x. Minus into minus plus ಆಯಿತು. sin x into 1 sin x divided by 2 root cos x ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿನಿ. 2x ಇದೆ 2x. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು? sin x ಕಾಲ್ದಾಗ x ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ? ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x stands to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋ. ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಫುಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಔಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ sin x ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? x. ಸೊ x ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಈ x ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. 2 into 2 4 ಆಯಿತು. So 1 by 4 is a final answer. Okay? Sure. Okay, let's move into the next question. What is given? Limit x stands to minus 3, x power 4 minus 81 divided by x cube plus 27. This is what given. So what is the golden rule? If you see the limit, substitute the value of limit. So if I substitute minus 3 whole power 4 minus 81 divided by minus 3 whole power 3 minus 3 whole power 3 plus 27. Okay? Minus 3 whole power 4 is what? 81 minus 81 divided by minus 3 whole cube is what? Minus 27 plus 27. Right? So this and this get cancelled, divided by this and this get cancelled. What is the form? 0 by 0. Whenever we have 0 by 0, what we need to use? We need to use L'Hospital rule. What do we need to use? L'Hospital rule. What that says? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. Let's do that. So limit x stands to minus 3. So in the numerator we have x power 4. X power 4 differentiation is what? 4x cube minus 81 differentiation is what? 0. Number differentiation is 0. So denominator x cube differentiation is what? 3x square plus 27 differentiation is what? 0. So 4x cube divided by 3x square. So what do I get? 4 by 3. X square x cube get x power 2 get cancelled. I'll get 1x. Now, what is limit? The limit x stands to minus 3. So limit x stands to minus 3. 4 by 3 times x. x place line ಹಾಕಬೇಕು -3 or x place में -3. So 4/3 times -3. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled. 4 into -1 is -4. What is the solution? -4. Is that okay? Okay. Okay, what is given question? Limit x tends to pi by 2 secant x minus tan x. This is what given in the question. So what we need to do? What is the golden rule of limits? If you see the limits, substitute the limits. This is what all the limits is all about. So we have to substitute the limit. Limit substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. Secant pi by 2 minus tan pi by 2. Pi by 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 90 degree. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. Secant 90 degrees infinity minus tan 90 degrees infinity. See, infinity minus infinity, we don't know what is that. Infinity minus infinity, we don't know. But 0 by 0, we know. Infinity by infinity, we know how to do. Right? But infinity minus infinity, we do not know what to do. So what we do, see here, very most important thing, see here. It's one of the question that has appeared previously. So what you need to do? Secant x can be written as 1 by cos x minus tan x can be written as sin x by cos x. Secant x ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು 1 by cos x minus tan x ಏನಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು sin x by cos x. So now we have to take LCM. How to take an LCM? So cos x, there is the same, so LCM will be cos x. So 1 minus sin x, right? Now if I take a limit x tends to pi by 2, if I substitute pi by 2, 1 minus sin x place में pi by 2. In place of x we have to substitute pi by 2 divided by cos pi by 2. 1 minus sin pi by 2 is 1 divided by cos pi by 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 by 0. What is this form? 0 by 0. 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0. Whenever we have 0 by 0, we have to use L hospital rule. ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? L hospital rule use ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So limit x tends to pi by 2. What is that? Differentiate numerator and denominator separately. One differentiation is 0 minus sin x differentiation is cos x divided by cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Right? So minus and minus get cancelled. So if I now substitute pi by 2, cos pi by 2 is 0 divided by sin pi by 2 is 1. So what is the solution? 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? So ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. ನಾನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ pi by 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? secant pi by 2 minus tan pi by 2. secant pi by 2 ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ, tan pi by 2 ಕೂಡ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ. ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ? 0 by 0 ಗೊತ್ತು, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ by ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ 0 by 0 ನ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ by ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? secant x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? cos x ಉಲ್ಟಾ. tan x ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? sin x by cos x. ಸೊ ಎರಡರಲ್ಲೂ LCM ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? cos x. ಸೊ 1 minus sin x. So 1 minus sin x. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ pi by 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 1 minus sin pi by 2 ಅದು 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ L hospital ರೂಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. L hospital ರೂಲ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಒನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 0, sin x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ cos x, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ cos x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ sin x. ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. cos x by sin x. cos x by sin x. In place of x I have to substitute pi by 2. cos pi by 2 is to 0. sin pi by 2 is to 1. So 0 by 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 0. Is that okay? Okay, now next question. What is given in the question? Limit x tends to 4, x minus 4 divided by 3 minus root of 13 minus x. This is a given question. Whenever you see the limits ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ first thing what you need to do, you need to substitute the limits. So 4 minus 4 divided by 3 minus root of 13 minus. In place of x we have to substitute 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0 divided by 3 minus root of 13 minus 4 is how much? 9. So 0 by root 9 is what? 3. So 3 minus 3 is what? 0. We get 0 by 0. What is 0 by 0 form? We have to use L hospital rule. What is this rule? Numerator differentiation, denominator differentiation. So let's do that. X limit, let's first write limit. Limit x tends to 4. X differentiation is 1 minus 4 differentiation is 0 divided by 3 differentiation is 0 minus root of 13 minus x differentiation is what? 1 by 2 root of 13 minus x times minus x differentiation is minus 1. So what do you get? 1 minus 0 is 1 divided by minus into minus plus 1 divided by 2 root of 13 minus x. Now if I substitute the value of x as 4, I get 1 by 2 root of 13 minus 4. What is that? 1 by 1 by 13 minus 4 is 9. Root 9 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 1 over 1 by 6 is what? 6 will come, friend. So 6 I get as an answer. 6 is an answer. Once Kannadadalli nodbidoಣ. Question ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ? x minus 4 divided by 3 minus root of 13 minus x question ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 4 minus 4 divided by 3 minus root of 13 minus 4. ಸೊ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಏನು ಬಂತು? 0 by 0. 0 by 0 ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್. ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 1 ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. 4 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 0. ಈಗ 3 ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ 0, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ ಮೈನಸ್. ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2 ರೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಅದೇ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2x minus 1 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 1 by 2 ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 2x minus 1 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ 2x minus 1 ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 2 minus 1 0. ಅದೇ ತರ 1 by root of 13 minus x. 13 minus x ಕೂಡ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. 13 ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ 0 ಮೈನಸ್ x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಮೈನಸ್ x ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಏನು? ಮೈನಸ್ 1. ಸೊ ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು. 1 by 2 root of 13 minus x. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x stands to 4 ಇತ್ತು. ಈ 4 ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ 1 by 1 divided by 13 minus 4 ರೂಟ್ 9 ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. ರೂಟ್ 9 is to 3. 3 2 is 6. ಈ 6 ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 6 ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಸಿಂಪಲ್. Yes. Sure. Okay, let's start with the first question. What is given in the question? Limit x stands to 3, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 divided by 2x minus 3. This is a given question. See, whenever you see the limit, what is the one golden rule that you need to use? What is the one golden rule? ಯಾವುದು ಒಂದು golden rule ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? That is substituting the limit ಅಥವಾ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. That means in place of x we have to substitute 3. So let's do it. 2 into 3 square minus 7 into 3 plus 3 divided by, again 2 times 3 minus 6, isn't it? So 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18 minus 7 3s are 21 plus 3 divided by 3 2s are 6 minus 6. See here, 18 plus 3 is 21, 21 minus 21 is 0. What is this called? 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. If we have a 0 by 0 form, what we need to do? We need to use something called L hospital rule. What we need to do? 0 by 0 form ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು? 0 by 0 form ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? L hospital rule ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಏನು L hospital rule ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ಲಿ. So let's differentiate. What is the limit x stands to 3. Okay, let's differentiate numerator first differentiate ಮಾಡೋಣ. 2 is a number, I don't care about it. X square differentiation is 2x, right? Minus 7 is a number, I don't care. 7 x differentiation is 1. 7 is a number, I kept x differentiation is 1 plus 3 is a number, only number differentiation is 0. If you are very bad at differentiation, we have an entire video helping you understand differentiation in 10 video series. Please go and check that out. Okay, chalo. In the denominator, 2 is a number, I don't care, x differentiation is 1 minus 6 is only number, there is no x, so 6 differentiation is 0. So what am I left with? Limit x stands to 3, 2 2s are 4, x minus 7 into 1, 7 divided by 2 into 1, 2. Now if I substitute 3, next I don't know what to do. Whenever you are stuck with something, just substitute the limit, you will know what to do. So 4 into 3 minus, in place of x we have to substitute limit, na? So 4 into 3 minus 7 divided by 2. 4 into 3, 12 minus 7 divided by 2 ones 2. What is that? 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is how much? 5. 5 over 2 is a solution. What is this? 5 over 2 is a solution. Is that simple? Let's go to the next question. Yes. Okay, let's move to the next question. What is given? Limit x tends to 0, root of 1 minus cos x divided by x. Root of 1 minus cos x divided by x. What is the first thing you need to do? Limit ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ first ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Substituting is the limit is the first thing that you need to do. So let's do that. Root of 1 minus cos 0 divided by, in place of x I substitute 0. So root of 1 minus cos 0 is how much? 1 divided by 0. So root of 1 minus 1 is 0. So 0 by 0 form. What is it? 0 by 0 form. Right? See here. If I want to use 0 by 0 form, I have to use L hospital rule. Right? If you do that, it will become lengthy. because we have to differentiate numerator separately. But I'll tell you a shortcut. There is something called shortcut. See, whenever we have limit x tends to 0, whenever we have limit limit x tends to 0 irutho, that time we have to substitute in place of sin x, we can replace with x. Sin x ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಅದೇ ತರ tan x ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ್ರೆ x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. In place of tan x you can replace with x. In place of 1 minus cos x you can replace with x square by 2. We have explained this in our video. Please go and check it. I think this is a third video in limits. Go and check this. It's one of the most important tools. This is called equivalent functions, a standard form of a function. Whenever you have limit x tends to 0, limit x tends to 0, you can replace sin x. Question sin x ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಸಾಕಿ x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. tan x ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಅದನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಬಿಸಾಕಿ x ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. 1 minus cos x ಬರ್ತಾ x square by 2 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. So let's replace that. So limit x tends to 0, root of 1 minus cos x can be written as what? X square by 2 divided by x. Now see here, x square, this can be written as root x square divided by root 2 divided by x. Root of ab is root a by root b, na? So root of x square is x by root 2 divided by x. This and this x get cancelled. 1 by root 2 is solution. Simple. This is the most simplest way that we can teach, or you can understand, or you can just remember these three things. The questions will become so much easy than you can think or use your hospital rule. Your hospital rule, melgade differentiation, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ different ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಥವಾ ಈ ಮೂರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Limit x tends to 0 ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yes. Okay, let's solve today's first question. What is given? Limit x tends to 2, x plus 2 divided by x power 5 plus 32. This is given as a question. See, whenever you see the limit comes with us, first thing you need to do is substituting the limit. So let's substitute. In place of x, I have to substitute minus 2. So if I substitute minus 2 plus 2 divided by minus 2 whole power 5 plus 32. Minus 2 plus 2 get cancelled, they become 0 divided by minus 2 whole power 5 is minus 32 plus 32. So this becomes 0 by 0 form. What is this? 0 by 0 form. Whenever you have 0 by 0 form, what do you need to do? You need to use something called L'Hospital rule. You need to substitute what? L'Hospital rule. What this says? Differentiate numerator and differentiate denominator separately. What that says? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ differentiate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. That's all. Let's do that. Limit x tends to minus 2. ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ? x plus 2. X differentiation is what? 1 plus 2 differentiation is what? 0, because it's a number. X power 5 differentiation is what? 5 x power 4. X power 5 differentiation is 5 x power 4 plus 32 is a number differentiation is 0. Now what I am left with? Limit x tends to 2 minus 2, x tends to minus 2, 1 by 5x power 4. This is what we are left with, isn't it? Now there is an x, I don't know what to do. Just substitute the limit, you will know what to do. So 1 divided by 5 times minus 2 whole power 4, right? So 1 by 5 times 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 5, 16 into 5, or I'll just write 16 here, just we can multiply. 8 5s are 33 carry, 1 by 80. Is it correct? Just check it out. 5 6 are 33 carry 5 1s, yeah 80. 1 by 80 is the solution. Is that simple? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ತದ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕಂಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಒನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ 0 by 0 ಬಂತ, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಬಂತ, ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಬಂತ, ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. 0 by 0 ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್. ಈ ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು 3 ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದಟ್. ಆಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಯು ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್. Okay, let's move to the next question. Yes. What is given in the question? Limit x tends to 0, 2x minus tan 3x divided by sin 2x minus 3x square. See, whenever you see the limit, you have to substitute the limit. So 2 times in place of x, if I substitute 0 minus tan 3 times in place of x I have to substitute 0 divided by sine 2 times 0 minus 3 times in place of x I have to substitute 0, so 0 square. So what it becomes? Z2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus tan 0 is 0. Sine 2 into 0 is 0. So sine 0 is 0 minus secant 0 square is 0. So what we get? 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form. See, you can use L'Hospital rule for this. L'Hospital rule. L'Hospital rule na definitely use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. But before using L'Hospital, there is limit x stands to 0. There is what? Limit x stands to 0. Limit x stands to 0. If we have something like this, ಈ condition ಇದ್ರೆ sin x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? x. tan x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? x. So sin 2x ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? 2x. tan 2x ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು? 2x. tan 3x ಇದ್ರೆ 3x. So let's do that. So 2x, limit x stands to 0. 2x, I can't do anything with 2x, minus tan 3x is there, we have to substitute 3x divided by sin 2x is there, we have to substitute 2x minus x square, right? 2x minus 3x, 2x minus 3x is how much? Minus 1x divided by, see, I can take x common, so I'll be left with 2 minus x. Now see here, this x and this x get cancelled, so what are left with? Minus 1 by 2 minus x. What was the limit? Limit x stands to 0. So in place of x, I substitute 0. So I get a minus 1 by 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. That is minus 1 over 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. 2x minus tan x ಅನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಬಂತು? 0 by 0. 0 by 0 ಬಂದ್ರೆ L'Hospital ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ? ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಏನೇನದು? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x stands to 0. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x stands to 0 ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ sin x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು x. tan x ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು x. sin 2x ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. sin 2x ಇದ್ರೆ 2x. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಹಾಕಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0. ಈ 0 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಲಿಮಿಟ್ x tends to 0 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್. Is that okay? Yes or no? Yes? Hey guys, if you like the way that we teach, please support us by liking this video and subscribing to this channel. And don't forget to comment your doubts in the comment section so that we can cover all those doubts in the next video. And don't forget to check out our entire video course. The link is in the description. And please share this video with your friends and help them as well. Thank you guys. All the best.